Hey guys, Kevin Downey from Kevin Downey. Thanks so much for taking the time today. Really appreciate it. In this video, I want to answer a really simple question for you, and I've got Claude up here to help us define it. But what is AI? So this is something that is, again, fairly, elementary question in a way, but it is important to understand the distinction. And I talk about, AI versus search engines versus software in general in another video. And on a podcast I was on recently, we talked about this and AI's use in business. But in this specific video, what I want to do is just read the answer. I'm literally going to read it off of Claude because it can answer it better than I can. What is AI? Right. So AI, according to Claude, is software that can learn patterns, make judgments, and generate novel outputs rather than just following fixed rules. Instead of X then Y, it's more like, given everything I've learned from massive data sets, here's my best response to what you're asking. It interprets intent, handles ambiguity, and produces things that didn't previously exist. Very important. And I think of it, I have kind of a code word that I've used, and I got this from someone, that AI really is a thought partner, right? If you use it correctly, that's what it is. Yes, it can do all kinds of calculations. It can perform all kinds of things. But at the end of the day, at a high level, it's a thought partner. And really, when I work with businesses, especially with owners, that's what it becomes for them, right? Owners use it as a thought partner. They look at market analysis, all the different things they can do with it, making, asking questions and going back to Claude about team and building teams and performance of people and all kinds of different things, right? So it's really, really strong in so many capacities, obviously. Okay. When you ask if AI is a type of software, yes, it absolutely is. It's a subset of software, but it acts differently than the way we think of traditional software, where software is if X then Y kind of thing. Right. But then asking if AI is a thought partner, it gives a really good detailed answer. But the summary is, so yes, thought partner is the right label. It's just a thought partner whose value is almost entirely determined by the other person in the conversation. Again, that goes back to, you get out of AI what you put into it, right? So the more you give it to work with, the better you're going to get out of it. And that's really important to understand. And we covered that in our AI training when I work with clients on a front end level of just doing general AI training before we get into doing custom project work and stuff like that. If you have any questions, you want some help with basic AI work, here's our AI quarterback program. We do general AI training. It's just a couple of hours, and then video for reference for you and your team, right? And then anybody who's on that gets a copy of the video for reference for the future. And then of course we can do custom build out implementation and training of all kinds of different things, integrated AI and agentic AI, and so on and so forth. If you have any questions, reach out to us. You can schedule a call, upper right-hand corner of the website. Thanks for being here today. Best of luck in business, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.